Can you share a moment in your own journey or in a client's experience where a holistic or humanistic approach unlocks something traditional methods didn't?
Yeah. This is a personal journey. I'm going to share my story because
Oh,
any
I love it.
ADHD out there who so I have ADHD that's hyperactive. When I was a little kid, no one wanted to babysit me. I was jumping out of tree. I was like go 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 go. So hyperactive. I have so much energy. It's painful. I can't meditate. I struggle to meditate
Yeah.
and really get into that zone. However, through yoga therapy and really going and working with my mind through Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, doing yoga asana, physical, hard
Mm-hmm.
poses, I can focus. And that actually gave me more than any modality. I was able to silence my monkey mind
Ooh.
more than any Buddhist meditation I did, any modality, any worksheet, any skill. I was able to like have peace. And that peace lasted for like 24 hours. Like I could then come back and do it again and again. And yeah, so yoga therapy for me was the game changer. But that's again ancient philosophy from Patanjali, which we don't really teach in graduate school
Mm-hmm.
for therapists. But that was a game changer for me. And here's the beauty of it. It really helped cure my rejection sensitive dysphoria. That is the part of ADHD where we feel emotion so intensely. We feel rejection even if we're not being rejected. And it can
Ooh.
last for days and it could pop up years later. And if you talk to any ADHDer, that is the piece that is the hardest to manage. And I haven't had, I mean, it's gone. I don't feel rejected. In fact, I look at other people not as separate from me, as just another person on my path. We might have
Mm.
different views. We might believe in totally different things, and that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
It no longer affects me. I just want to share their journey with them. And before their differences, I would have felt rejected because, oh, what's wrong with my views?
Mm.
Why are you, right? And now it's just like, oh, let's all view what we view and have a beautiful, colorful rainbow and try to live really good lives, peaceful
Yeah.
lives,
Yeah.
loving each other, of compassion. I'm trying to yoga therapy for me changed. So to
So
answer your
that,
question in a nutshell, yes,
yeah,
yoga therapy, Patanjali, the Yoga Sutras,
see, we
yeah,
all have
and
our
doing a
different
yoga.
things. Because let me ask you this, because you were just talking about what was it you were just mentioning, the rejection.
Rejection sensitive dysphoria, yeah, RSD,
Because I felt like
yeah.
I had that. And
Oh,
I haven't been diagnosed, of course, I haven't been tested for ADHD, but what you were describing, I can completely relate to.
yeah,
I
yeah.
don't feel like I have it now, but I thought it was part of like a trauma response or something. That's really interesting.
Well, and it also can be. That's where ADHD and trauma have a lot of overlap
That's
where
true.
yes, in fact, you look at our ADHD symptoms,
Yep.
is it ADHD or trauma? It comes
Yeah.
from a different place, but yes, very much RSD is in trauma, especially if you had if you're really insecure. It's the self-concept.
Yeah.
Trauma really brings that down. And so we're very overly sensitive to things that we might perceive as rejection. And
Yes.
it hits us really hard. Oh,
It's yeah,
yeah.
it's the lens of rejection, and that's how you look at
Yeah.
everything is through that lens of rejection. It is so freeing not to feel like that, not to take everything personal, not to take everything like a rejection, and not have to
Yeah.
spend, I don't know how many hours in my mind I ruminated on that. It is so freeing because it's
Ah,
interesting when you're describing, like, heck, that's what I used to do. Like, I had that too.